Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the World Cup. Mexico 2, Bafana 0. I'm joined by Umenier. What is ki? Unchain.
Yeah, fresh. Amela, siphuthume yethu. Siphuthumene yabo.
Ubani isikhathi no?
12. 10 past 12. Sure. Mamela si. Indlela otrainer ngayo.
Yeah.
Iyona ndlela okumele wenze njani? Udlale?
Yeah.
Okanye if utrainer.
Yes.
Usuke utrainela ukuthi le ndlela otrainer ngayo yona uzodlala? Ngayo.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, man.
Asibuyeleni lana. Le game ya today.
Sure.
Siluze kuma friendly besiwadlala.
Explain.
Lama friendly besiwadlala.
Sure.
Ama opponents besiwathola.
Sure.
Akusiwona ama opponents abesiforced ukuthi sidlale on transition.
Yes. Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Just like I game le yokugcina bese Orlando ngakutshela ngathi le opponent esiyitholile as much as I game kubo not yes kufanele siwine but akusiyona I opponent ebesingayithola leyo ukuthi prepare I World Cup because ngaze ngamention ukuthi e groupini yethu zobune Mexico esekhaya izokufaka under pressure ube ne Czech Republic ekhipha Denmark uzoba ne South Korea which means wonke lama game ethu zowadlala sihleli deep uzomela siphume on transition but thina ama opponents besiwathola ama opponents iwona ahlala deep thina siza kuwo remember indlela otrainer ngayo nendlela ozodlala ngayo thina senze into enjani eopposite sithola abantu abahlala deep esiza kubona isero sithola abantu abazosiforce sihlale deep bese siba neplan ukuthi lama games sizowadlala kanjani ngasho le game ebikuphi ebise Orlando alright starting lineup uthi uba nama defending nqwaba lama defend onawo right there's nothing wrong ngokumaintain igame okanye ngokuhlala deep but kumele ube nani kumele ube neplan yokuthi njengoba ngihleli deep so ngiphuma kanjani unomuremi unomaseko unosibelebele abantu bazi kahle clean ukuthi labo on transition ngingarelaya kubona okanye ngingathembela kubona boy 3 uyababhentsha uzobeka yini ama defend uzophuma kanjani ithini iplan yakho uzophuma ngo first ana speed uzophuma ngomkwena ana speed the only player on speed uReynolds funa khona phela remember uReynolds ubehleli nama center back la remember isimidlala naye isuye iform in ngesikhathi iattack isuye iform in rest defense so angeke no Reynolds kuzoba difficult maybe ubonile umbokazi belwezama ngefirst half lodlala amabhola behind defense bekuba difficult ubengahlala deep but ebe nomuntu eyi1 phakathi kwasibelebele umaseko okanye umure right sibeleni lana there is nothing wrong okanye akonakele kakhulu uma uya kwi half time utrailer 1-0 kwigame yakhe yokuqala yeWorld Cup against iteam eyihost so lesikole sokuthi sichange ku 1-0 bekungonakele isithiyo but ukonakala kwezinto uzonakala kuphi changing room
kanjani
mamela already unama defender inqwaba yama defender uyabona ukuthi usithole wenza ama mistake why ungadonsa usithole why ungadonsa uFoster bese udlala ngoReynolds oyi1 angithi wonke lama game we've been playing with uFoster A1 as a striker why ungadonsa uFoster udonse noSithole bese uzofaka abantu abathi ekhaya remember ngithena kuwena akusuke ngonakele yakhuluma ku half time against ihost igame yokuqala ku World Cup utrailer ngobani ngo1-0 but i-decision ozoyithatha ku changing room yona ezokona yini izinto ucoach wabuya ngobani ngoSithole uSithole wathola ini red card uyabuya la sesine red card seku difficult la esifana ngabe khona uqhubeka ekuthenini igame uyaqhubeka eminse ngalendlela eminse ngayo uzokhipha uAdams ufaka uzwana uAdams bekufanele amiyeke aqhubeka kanjalo igame uzwana uzothola yini uzothola red card so uyabona ama decisions akhe enze njani asicostile asibeni honest yes asibeni honest yes ama fans or abantu abaningi bengangaba nama coaching licenses or bengangacoach ama team amakhulu but abantu ibhola bayalazi team abantu they've been crying about the performance kaSithole
for a long time
even we have called they've been crying about the performance ka Forced
for a long time
but uMadala wenze njani constantly wenze njani uyaqhubeka uyabafaka uyena uMadala uqhatha lamajita nama fans because asibuyele nje lasipho Uma ngabuza wena between uFoster le game yoba edlala noma Hope Mahope ungenisa sinama I think red card or ama red card ayi2 I'm not sure lapho but umuqhathanisa ubani odlala better between the two uFoster noma Hope so why uMahope engaqaliswa ama game if njalo yena bengena isekhona alfu ungena adlale enze umsebenzi oGrain
ngoba kamncane
ngezinye indlela in conclusion isithibo le game lesiyiluze kuma friendly bese wadlala saphinde futhi sayiluza ngani ngama decisions abathathe nge-half time bad advertisement of our football Sithibo
ndoda on the biggest stage
kulungile Sithibo mfowethu sizobona ama game alandelayo ngoba umuntu uzogcina ekhuluma izinto wrong but lento eyenzakalile today bad no bad advertisement of our football Sithibo ngizoyibamba lapho mfowethu
Njebe wena uring wala phela